Okay, so to begin with, I like to start with something hearty. So I made these breakfast burritos and I pair them with grapes. This breakfast burrito only has 144 calories, 13 grams of protein, and 9 grams of carbs, and that's for half of a breakfast burrito, a 7-inch breakfast burrito. Lunch, you're going to be having this amazing chicken with a tomato salad and some Triscuit wrap of the oven roasted chicken. We're going to take our chicken out of the refrigerator and let it sit for 15 minutes. Next, we're going to take our chicken and butterfly it, cut it down the middle. I like to do this, I just like thinner chicken, but if you prefer yours thicker, go ahead and leave it as is. So next, to ensure that it cooks all the same and that we get juicy, nice chicken, I will take a meat mallet, put my pieces of chicken underneath some saran wrap, and pound it gently until I get it the equal thickness on all of the chicken breast. Okay, so next we're going to make our spice rub mixture. I've already put the paprika and salt and pepper in here. It's 2 tablespoons of paprika and 1 teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Now I'm putting 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the thyme into this mixture. I have a 2 tablespoon gadget, so in case you wondered. So yeah, 2 tablespoons. And then we're just gonna mix it together. And we have our spice rub mixture. Next, we're going to take our olive oil and put it on both sides of the chicken breast. I use a brush because I feel like I can get better control over it this way. And then turn it over and put it again on the other side. And then we're going to take our spice rub mixture and just kind of dole out as much as you think you need. There's no real rule for this. Just whatever works for your palate and what you're comfortable with. I like a lot of spice, so I use quite a bit. This spice rub mixture is good for about a pound of chicken, in my opinion. So if you're making 2 pounds, double the recipe below. And there you go. You've got some spicy, well, spice. I don't know if it's spicy. To me, it's a little spicy. Spicy chicken coating, and it makes the chicken taste delicious. Okay, so now I'm going to put my chicken in an oven-safe baking dish. And because I cut these in half, we're going to have 2 rounds or 2 batches of cooking. Try to get them as snug as possible, but don't overlap them. Just as snug as possible. So there are 8 pieces here. I'm going to go ahead and just put in 4 pieces, maybe 5. I might use the vertical side, we'll see. And because we're not overcrowding them, they're going to cook better and be juicy like we like them. Now go ahead and set your oven at 425 and let it preset for about 10 minutes. Next, place the chicken in the hot oven, and we're going to cook this for about 18 minutes. So now that the chicken has rested about 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and slice it. I like to pre-slice my chicken because I always make more than I need, and I can use it in other dishes when it's sliced like this, just easier. But that's me. If you like to keep your chicken in big pieces, that's fine too, whatever your preference is. Okay, so now for the macros. Now that the chicken is done, I'm going to go ahead and place them into my meal prep containers. I use 2 ounces of chicken, 1 ounce of the tomato cucumber salad, and I have 3 of the Triscuits. So the macros on this entire meal is 257 calories, 13.4 grams of carbs, and 19.7. Okay, so just in case you wondered, the little containers have balsamic vinegar in them, as well as some oil and some buffalo mozzarella. I don't like to combine them until I'm ready to eat them. It just makes the salad less soggy. Okay, now that it is dinner time, we are going to be making this delicious turkey meatloaf. Recipe, we're going to need 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons divided of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 pound of ground turkey, 1/2 medium onion minced, 1 garlic clove, 1/2 cup old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and non-stick cooking spray. Next, we're going to take our ketchup and our Worcestershire sauce and combine the two together. Loaf pan, go ahead and get that out as well. And I'm going to use olive oil spray in the pan so it doesn't stick. But you can use any kind of spray, canola, pan, whatever you have on hand. And then go ahead and add your For the dinner meal prep, we have the turkey meatloaf. This is so delicious. It's from the book, The Complete Bariatric Cookbook and Meal Plan from Megan Moore. So good, I highly recommend it. I'll go ahead and put the link in the bio in the video description, for this particular book. Now, these are the air fryer Brussels sprouts I make all the time. So delicious. You eat that, you eat your 3 meals, you eat your protein shake, you eat your protein bar, and you don't have to worry about anything else for the rest of the day. So I highly recommend this. Let me know in the comment section what you're doing, or if you do try my menu, which I would be thrilled and happy, and I think it's going to work great for you, so please try it. Let me know what you think, and let me know how it worked for you. So that's it for the video. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you next week.